guys, welcome back to the channel, back with another video. So in this video we're just gonna go on a short ride, have some photo shoots with my friend Mithun and few of his friends whom I'll introduce when I meet them, because I'm meeting them for the first time too. So it's gonna be a chill ride, I mean the place is nearby, so you don't have to rush really. So yeah, pretty chill. I'm planning maybe 2 videos a week. I don't know, I mean I need enough content so that I can post 2 videos a week, and I have enough content right now to post that much. So if I have enough videos, I'll be posting pretty consistently and more often. So yeah, I've been making a couple of unplanned videos. The last one is where I got my tires ready. I mean the wheel. It had a little bump. I don't know how it happened. Probably because I was going too fast and a pothole got clashed with the wheel or something, the tire. Do you guys want to check that video out? Link down in the description below. The place I'm going to is called Nature's Cafe. I'm pretty sure many people who live here already are already familiar with the place. The place is just a chill spot to have a cup of tea and have some photo shoots for super bikes, normal bikes, cars, whatever you want. Let me know how the DJI is. I'm trying to do more cinematic videos each time, so if you guys let me know how it is, and if you guys want me to change it up a bit, I can do that too. There's a lot of filters I can put on this video, and it'll look pretty cool. I'm using a specific LUT pack. People who do cinematography editing and stuff know what LUTs are. Use LUTs in your editing softwares. It's basically like filters, but then you can play around with it, the contrast, temperature, sharpness and all that stuff, brightness, etc. You can play around with that. So these are the bikes, and we're leaving now for a photo shoot. I'll ask everyone their Insta tags and we can tag all of them. fun meet. It was a fun photo shoot session. Well, I don't think I got much of a photo shoot, but I did get a couple of flyby videos, and it was pretty chill. Now we're just gonna go back home calmly, slowly, just chilling. Oh, my back is aching and my wrists are getting numb. That's Sean Revs right there, I believe. I don't know, I'll have to ask them all their Insta tags so that, you know, I know who it is. Kinda know their name, but they have different tags, so yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please drop a like, share and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.